the new version of Collections Management, there's also some improved email capabilities. So I'm in the Collections main window and I have a request from Aaron Foots Electrical to email out some invoices. I can simply hit the email button. I can add who I want to send this letter to. We have a new letter option, which is just to select the invoices I want to send, and maybe there's some more recent invoices they wanted copies of. I can just select those invoices that they wanted copies of, and from there add those into the email body and hit send, and it will automatically send that out with the invoices attached to Aaron Fitz. So when I switch over to Microsoft Outlook, I'll see there's a new email that's been created. I'll see the invoices that were attached in the body of the email. It's also included the contact details for the collector that sent the message, and all the invoices have been attached as PDF documents and sent to the customer.